Hello. In this video, let us discuss about introducing zeros in the whole number position values and in the decimal position values. Now you have the position values starting from ones place or units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, and so on. And you have a decimal point, and after decimal this will be 1/10th place, this is a 100th place, this is a 1000th place, and so on, right? Now these position values will take whatever digit you give will be multiplied with that position value. That is, suppose if I write 1 here, then this will be 1 times 1. If I write 2 here, it will be 2 times 10, that is, this will be 20. You understand? Similarly, if 1/10th, 100th, and 1/1000 and so on will take the corresponding position values. Any digit you introduce in these places will be multiplied by 1/1000 or 1/100 or 1/10 respectively. Now suppose I have a digit, say 9. 9 is in ones place, right? What does it mean? Does it mean that there is no digit in tens place, there is no digit in hundreds place, there is no digit in thousands place, or any more digits, any more places you consider? So this I can also write it as 0009, 09, 009. All these mean the same, that its value is only 9. You understand? As you are adding or introducing zeros in the position values or in the place values or in these positions, from moving from right hand side towards your left hand side, you can introduce how many ever zeros you want, still the value of 9 will remain same. You understand? The same thing happens if I am adding for the same 9 after decimal. If I am adding a 0 in 1/10th position, a 0 in 1/100th position, a 0 in 1/1000th position, still it remains 9. This is same as 9.0. This is same as 9.00. This is same as this is 9.000. You can add as many number of zeros to the right hand side after the decimal point. Please mind this, after the decimal point, how many ever zeros you introduce, still this value will be the same 9. Suppose I have a number, say 25. 25 is nothing but 0 to 5. It's the same thing. It's the same thing as 0025. What I'm trying to say, tell you here is, this is units place or ones place, this is tens place. There is no hundreds place, there is no thousands place, there is no 10,000s place. So you can add as many zeros as you want, still the value will remain 25. 025 by default it means it is 25. 0025 also means it is 25. Now we are not changing in 25. Here also you have this units place, 5 in units place, 2 in tens place. Here also you have 5 in units place and 2 in tens place. That means we are not changing the positions of these digits in this number. So you can say that its value is the same, right? Suppose if I have a number 8, and instead of introducing 0 to the left side, say if I'm introducing a 0 to its right hand side, now what has this become? This has become 80, that is, it is 10 times more. Now the position has changed of 8 from units place or ones place. Now this has come to tens place. That means this value is increased 10 times more than this value. You understand? Suppose if I introduce another 0, this will become 800, which is even more a bigger number. Suppose if I introduce another 0 to the right side, it becomes 8000. That means if I am adding or introducing zeros here to the right hand side of this digit, its position value is shifting from units place to tens place, and then we have hundreds place or thousands place. That is, a position is shifting here. That is a reason you say that you don't say that these values are same, right? 8 in is different from 80, and 80 is different from 800. 800 is different from 8000. So introducing zeros to the right hand side, you must be very careful in this point, that as you are adding a decimal now, when you are adding a decimal point, what happens? The same number, if it is 8, if I am adding a decimal and introducing a 0, 8 still remains in one's place. Now this 0 after the decimal has come in 1/10th place. That still means that its value is only 8, because there is nothing in 1/10th place. Suppose if I am introducing a decimal and introducing two zeros here, it's still the value of this remains still as 8, because 0 and zeros, two zeros are in 1/10th and 1/100th position. Here what happened? Here you have shifted the position values, whereas here the position of 8 is same in all the cases. Understand? That is a reason we can easily introduce zeros in any number. Suppose if I have any number, say 156, I can write 156 as 156.0. This also means it is 156.00. This also means it is 156.000. You can add as many number of zeros after the decimal as you want, because its value will remain the same even after introducing the zeros after the decimal. So mind you must always keep a decimal to keep the value of this number same. Or this is also same as 0156, 00156, this is 000156. All these are same. It is the same 156, because 6 is still in 1's place, 5 is still in 10's place, 1 is still in 100's place. The other place values are zeros here, so its value is only 156. Or 0.0, 0.00, 0.000. You can add as many zeros as you want after the decimal towards the right hand side, or before the decimal, that is towards the left hand side. You can add as many zeros as you want. Still the value of the number will remain same.